How and when you pay for legal fees is referred to generally as funding. Getting the right funding for your legal issue is a key factor in achieving a good outcome. The right funding depends on the particular circumstances. The principal options are: pay on an hourly rate basis, agree a fixed fee for a fixed piece of work, pay a fixed monthly fee, enter into a no-win, no-fee agreement, or enter into a damages-based agreement. There is no best funding option. It really depends on your circumstances and the circumstances of your particular case. With an hourly rate, as the client takes all of the cost risks, this can be the cheapest way to fund litigation, but the downsides are you have to pay all of your fees before you receive the benefit of the litigation, and you cannot be certain of the total costs because the fees are not fixed. Fixed fees produce certainty about costs. However, because the solicitor is taking a risk that the matter will be more complicated than, say, average, they might charge a slightly higher price to reflect the extra risk they're taking. With a fixed monthly retainer, we agree the extent of the legal cover you need and agree an appropriate monthly fee with you. This option creates high levels of certainty and can be very cost effective in a busy period. Because you can cancel at any time, there is no real downside, though we're unlikely to cover you for pre-existing disputes. No-win, no-fee agreements can be a great way of funding litigation if you do not have the money to fund it yourself. If you don't win, you don't pay the costs of your solicitors. The downside is that if you win, you will pay a success fee on top of the solicitor's hourly rate. The success fee cannot be recovered from an opponent and will come out of your damages. Damages-based agreements behave in a similar way to no-win, no-fee agreements, except the solicitor and the client agree that the solicitor is entitled to a fixed percentage of the sum recovered, whether it takes a day or 3 years to achieve. At Helix Law, we offer all these funding options. We start by completing a thorough and detailed analysis of your particular situation before reaching an agreement with you. If you would like to discuss funding options for your dispute in further detail, then simply call or email us and we'll be happy to help. Alternatively, you will also find more information about all of our funding options on our website.